Hi everyone, just a very quick little video for us to go over the next resource, which is the Canstar website. So what I'd love you all to do if you're watching and you have your device with you is you can open up your browser, it's Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, it doesn't matter, and we're going to type in www.canstar.com.au and press enter in the URL bar. Okay, this is going to take us to the home page. Now, there are many different products and services in the financial industry that this website does compare, but we are just looking at superannuation today. So these are hover tabs. Hover over and go over to your superannuation label here and click. We're going to have a look and compare a couple of super funds, or I'm just going to let you know how to do that. I'm going to go from ages. We want to take the lowest age bracket since that's the closest to you, and we want to take the lowest super balance because at this stage we're just looking at a really low level fund balance. And we're going to click compare funds. One of the things I like about this website, and most people do, is that you don't have to provide any contact details. You don't have to put email addresses or phone numbers just to get some information about these funds. So that's a really nice thing to see. It kind of gives a nice level of independence. We're going to compare a couple, or we're just going to have a quick overview of this page. So this is your overview. You can see it's got a couple of things there. So we've got annual cost at $30,000 balance. Number of managed funds. This isn't super important for you right now, but we can talk about it later. And performance over the last 5 years. So this has the average percentage return over the last 5 years. These ones up the top, these are being paid. They are paying the website to promote them. Doesn't necessarily mean they're the best or the best value or anything. They are just there because they have paid for a promoted spot. We've got some other tabs up here. So you've got options. So it's just showing you a few different things that the super funds can offer and which ones do and don't. Services, same thing, a few different services that are common and which ones do and don't offer those, and performance. So you can see past 1 year return, past 3 years, past 7 years. This is the page you would look at if you really wanted to look at your short, medium and long-term financial goals and whether or not this fund that you are looking at is in line with those goals. Now, everybody can do this themselves on their devices, or we're going to move over to the website in class and do it together. Press compare, like tick a box next to the super funds you wish to compare, and then we press compare down here when they pop up. That's all I've got for now. This website is a really great tool if you want to look further into and research certain funds, and you can even have a chat with your parents about which fund they've chosen and what kind of decisions they made, or what kind of things affected their decision to choose that fund and how involved they are with it. It's a really interesting conversation to have. It sounds boring, I know, but it is what is going to support you when you get to retirement age, which I know some of you think it is a fair way away for you all, but it's never too early to start. Okay, let's move on with the rest of the class.